Nasema kwamba itakuwa topic. Ni topic ile poa. So nimechukua kwa section. So we understand the purpose of marriage. We have understood what the purpose of marriage is. So we need to continue. We learn why God created man for his glory and to repopulate heaven. And you and I, we need to understand what God requires of how a family should be. Jinsi ambavyo familia yafaa iweze kuwa. Yes, anyone with a question? Yes, we have two. Any other? Thank you, brother. Then we our sister there.
Okay, I have a question. A simple question. What are the factors to be considered before courtship?
Factors to be considered with someone. Someone that courtship. Thank you for that. That's why we are taking note of the question. Yes, our sister.
Yeah, because they say if you grow old, the feel like you become. But what it is the person supposed to be one and you don't know.
Thank you. That's the question about age, specific age. So that's what we are getting. So our brother said here factors to consider for I to enter into courtship. Yes. And then our sister asked about age. What specific age? Kuna miaka specific. So that's the questions. I would like to see anyone who has a comment. Comment, you have 1, 2, 3. Usiende alafu sema nilikuwa na kitu ya kuongea. Unaanza kujiongelesha peke yako kwa nyumba. Amjai kuwa na hiyo experience mimi nimekuwa nayo. Hadi kuna kitu naongea lakini sasa nikienda nitaanza kusema na ningesema. Yes, watu kama hao sasa. One, umetaka kuona one. Unaona one? Oh, sawa, karibu.
Okay. What about Adam and Eve? Were they created the same day?
Oh, Adam and Eve were they created with the same thing? Thank you for that. So hiyo ndio inakuja kwa swali ya sister about age. Oh, sawa. Thank you for that. Kuna mwingine? Comments? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kuna mwingine? Then we have our brother here, Goldfish. Goldfish also will add something because he's following us. Like, thank you for that. Now, oh, it was.
You know, you can take care of your family. That is the life spend one can get.
Thank you. Kwamba wewe unapaswa ina. Tukaelekea pia tunafanya ndio kwa ama wewe unapatikana unacheza unatoka kwa kazi na mambo mengi. Thank you for that. Yes, yeah.
About marriage and relationship. This is the topic that we need to learn. I mean, our sister said marriage is something that's going to affect your life now and life to come. So it's not something to joke around with. So, and that's what our brother asked, what are the things that you need to look for in a partner so that one this partner can be right for me? First of all, when you understand anything, Christ must be at the center. Straight first. You need to commit yourself to God. Then now, after committing yourself to God, seek God guidance omba. Kama umemwona yule mtu kabisa, ni yule mimi ni yule mimi na wanasema umemshiraki ile vibaya sana. Hiyo dhambi imetumiaje mtu amekunywa sana. Umesema you are committed to God. Next thing, it is this God will help you to discern. If you have been to utafanya, you need to seek for God's guidance. And when you seek for God's guidance, ukirashi ovyo. Number 3, you will seek counsel from the right people. See, it's not everyone who is right for you to give you guidance. Mzuri mwingine utaenda huko na kuulize counsel. Kumbe alikuwa amempush pia na yeye. Alafu unaenda huko unamuuliza tu mtu anakuambia vile mbaya na wa seek guidance from the right people. Especially you can seek from spiritual mentors and parents. Parents, they are good mentors here. Kama ni wazazi wazuri wasi wengine kuna wazazi wabaya. Haya. Number 4, after hapo sasa, take time to know that person. Usikimbie tu. When you take time to know that person, you will unaangalia kwa inasema you choose someone of the same faith. Utatoka hapa hivi umekimbia umeenda kupata Muslim una expect that person you're going to court with her ama una expect unaenda kumconvert ndio ufanye nini uingie courtship na yeye ndio maana our mission was going there for making disciples. We are not making disciples to marry or to convert so that they can become a wife or a husband. We are going to preach convert people for Christ. So you choose someone of the same faith. Then akiwa the same faith tumesema sisi you observe the character and not appearance. Sisi wanaume sisi wanawake sisi na to affect. You find someone anaenda anataka kuwa in a courtship with someone, na kitu ya kwanza anaangalia huyo mtu ni mrembo, angalia tu kwenye nywele zake zikotenda, angalia tu kwenye nguo yake na mtoa mzuri. Those are outward appearance. Look, angalia this person character yake, is it fit? Alafu pia uko na qualities zake wenye unataka kuangalia kwa mtu. Common interest. Usiniambie unaenda kutafuta mtu mwenye apendi studies, alafu wewe kila siku hapo kwa studies. So unajua time atakuwa anataka kukusumbua, hataki kufanya studies. So look for someone to share common interest. Unaenda kutafuta mtu mwenye wewe ukuli nyama, ukuli samaki, ukuli nini tena, ukuli animal products, lakini yeye hiyo ndio kwa. Alafu una expect this person akuje kwa marriage change. Unajua huyu mtu atakuja kwa marriage akifanya amechange kidogo, then akwambie my new remember ulinipata nikiwa nafanya hivi. So look for someone of common interest. Alafu tena hapo tumeambiwa marriage is not a contract. Mwanzo mom utaenda wewe uanze kusema I'm now starting to learn this person. Hapo hivi ushaingia kwa moto, ni wewe ukana mpiga kama ni mbaya, ni hapo kumfanya abadilike na uko kwa ndoa. So it will take you time. Utakuwa unajipeka. Then when you now have entered into courtship with this person mwenye ako na vitu unapenda, na kwanza kama ni mwanaume usije kupenda Muslim mkubwa wako ako na akili mingi kushinda, ndio atakuwa anakuona mjinga tu kwa bongo. Utakuwa unasema kitu yana anaona anajua zaidi. Look for someone when at least you can control, and women they are attracted to folk and command. So guys are going to dance. Men remember you are the priest of your house. So be a priest. Look for someone when you can control, you can do anything with her. Now when you are in courtship, you need to maintain purity and moral boundaries. Purity. And moral boundaries. That were very alafu ingine you need to engage in service together. When you have this person now you are courting, unajuana kwa courtship, kuangalia mtu kukasirika. By the way, kuna watu wanakuanga kwa courtship, they don't know their spouses or their partners. Kama ni kwenye anacheka, anapenda kucheka, sasa mambo serious anakaa aje, you don't know, hadi mnakosana. So take time to know this person. Jua temperament yake, jua akiwa amefurahi, jua language yake, jua things zenye anapenda na zenye hapendi. So usikekeza kwa wewe ni vile all through you are a joker, all through wewe ni vile too serious. Alafu pia life is not about just being too much serious or too much what having too much joke. Alafu ingine ni you need to wait patiently for God's confirmation. Sasa hata kujua hizi vitu zote unaweza kuwa umekaa kwa koti mkono. Kumbe this person hata hapo mtu wako right. Umetuma mahali vitu vingine. Kuna watu wanapenda kufanya kotini. Yeye unafika siku ya marriage. Wewe msichana au fulana. Kwenye unaona huyu time ya harusi. Mtu anainua mkono anasema I strongly disagree with so kuna vitu kama hizo. Sasa ndio kuweza disappointment on earth. Yenye inaendelea. Umengoja tu hiyo siku kwanza siku. Kama there is a time that people will normally wait so much hiyo siku ya ndoa jioni. Alafu inafikia mchana. So I strongly disagree. So wait for God to confirm. And how? Nyinyi wawili kama mko kwa nini you need to pray to be prayerful. If there is time when itakana muombe sana kama mfano wanasemanga if you are praying once takana udouble. Alafu sasa kama mko kwa relationship Christ must be at the center. Time tu utaweka Mungu kando. Utaanza ku-identify the weakest point ya mwingine. Utaanza kuangalia what is the negative side of that person. So you need to commit to God. Now when you commit to God, everything will be well. Alafu sasa, hii sasa ni yetu si wote. Soma. Kitabu cha Proverbs 5:18.
Proverbs 5:18. Let the always be blessed and rejoice while of thy youth.
Imeisha. Hapo hivi inasema let your fountain be blessed and rejoice with the wife of your youth. Hapo hivyo ukisema rejoice with your wife of your old age, wamesema the wife of your youth, meaning the time that you need to marry, the time youth, the Bible it represents the age and the time where you people you have energy to do the work, but you have energy to raise your kids, where you have the energy to do what? Kuwafunza watoto wetu vile inafaa. So after this tunaambiwa you need to rejoice with the wife of your youth. So you don't need to wait for time when you umekuwa mzee kabisa ndio unaanza kutafuta a wife or time umekuwa mzee kabisa ndio unaanza kutafuta for a husband. Hapa hivi you need to look for a wife at the age that you have energy, because the more unaendelea kukaa ama the more tena unaendelea kuishi sana inaitwanga hizo kwa ukiendelea kukua energy za decrease. Alafu itafika mahali kwa ndoa ndio unaona bibi yako anaanza kucomplain this man is not satisfying me because you are married at very old age. So we are being encouraged at the time that you have energy. Kabla hiyo nguvu yako itaanza kupungua kabisa. Kiundete za kuweza wani ile kuya zinaanza kucomplain, zinaanza kila bad. But the problem is you waited for that so long, umefika 50, umefika 40, ndio tena unaanza kuoa. Alafu tena before you marry, there are things to consider. When our brother said, you need to be stable as a man. Na pia mwanamke needs to be emotionally mature. How to handle things in the family too. I went to talk about marriage is something that is so serious. But you need to find it to handle it when you're not work. And even your husband can be a problem to you and you need to handle it. Because that time, atakuwa kama mtoto. Alafu pia mnavaa hapa hivi ni so
This the Bible says, let me and these upon thy heart, and the things upon thy camp. For that is strong and said, Jesus is good and the brave. The cold thereof are coals of fire, which has a most benefit.
But we want to assist me as a seal upon your hand. As a seal upon your arm, the love is as strong as death. Jesus is as cruel as the grave. His flame blessed with fire and most vehement flame. So maybe tukisoma tukiongelea about matters of love. When you agree, you should make mahusiano. And it is a genuine love. Because love, by the way, siki tu nasemanga mimi nakupenda, it is not something that say mimi nakupenda then inaisha hivyo. Love is something that is so strong. To be believing in the same it is for love is as strong as death. Because if I'm a vibration of open and it is genuine, it is true. Because the time when you are tender like no feelings na huyo mtu bidhaa mingine kubwa ni latest round people inasema never person inasema ni these people's hearts that the seed of those small multitudes in the sight of who? In the sight of God. So kama unakuja kuchezea mtu kama vile si wengine tunafanya si wengine tunajijua unakuja tu unadanganya mtu unadanganya ka pressure unadanganya ka ile sio tena tunadanganya watu sio fulana duniani. So many kudanganya mtu akakupenda and there is a problem with these people who love because they are the ones who are hurt the most. Mtu amekuja hapa amekudanganya neno lo masanya na kwambia by the way I feel like atuendani tumesema six times to know this person. Sisi yote tunasema by the way afanye nini atuendani mbona unaona people all just like travel this is someone alafu all of a sudden I feel like we don't right. So let's take our time. When you commit yourself, God everything will be fine. What the good comment is about okay, I'm right. So we will try to it's right. The first priority. You start to talk about them. I have God. You do have whatever at present, yes, God is there. He never moved there. Jesus Christ, my past boyfriend. We take on boyfriend and forget you one time. It's now. Wewe pia kama ni kijana kuji unakimbilia huyo mtu hata sasa imeisha hata ni mbele ile kwa mtende bado all the time. So let me continue from where we have left. Starting from so the book of Genesis is page 452. Paragraph 1. No, paragraph 2. Hapo katikati nasoma kwa katikati nasema are you out of the stick is a poor judge of the fitness of a person as young as himself be are you out of his stick? When you say out of there is a problem down the place. So you can come with nothing. It may be you are not created enough letters to can make a decision. They must be as a line pattern. So you must first be out of your seat. If the inamaanisha be out of your seat. And someone also does qualification. So A is also another qualification. So it must be an adult. If you look on Numbers chapter 8, verse 24. Numbers chapter 8, verse 24. And by the way, as God said to Moses married. 8:24, the Bible was 8 years. This is it. Yes. And belonging and the Levite. The book of Numbers 8, verse 24. Yes. This is it. That belonging unto the Levite of 20 and 25 years old. Yes. And afterward, they shall go in with service in the balance of 25 years and above. Okay, those who are being gifted to the service of God. But the Lord wanaishi kama when you reach 25 years old, you can make you are wise to make your own decisions. That especially it was for men when you are very happy. So especially for men, it is recommended that you should even plan and rules that your mind becomes mature at least the age of 25 and above. For anything, quite for below, ukiangalia watoto kwenye the same age na mwanaume na msichana. Sawa msichana amechanuka kidogo they mature quickly. So it's in that stage. Then another thing,
you should have completed a professional training. And you should presented for problem. Chapter 24 was 20. This one translates the 100 paragraph 1. 27 program. Yes. Prepare the statement. Yes. Without magnetic field question. In the thing. Yes. And afterwards. With the house. So you must prepare. You must prepare. That is the 100 paragraphs. As you also use the FFE. Paragraphs of the 62 paragraphs. It says we have been and we have been studying most of the then 60% paragraph to state why as and as allow we go to find also. Then the last point you must have a social income and this is the paragraph 1 is are not excusable to speak without financial stability. For many, parity is honest, but it does not have any financial stability. It's not that as a mere child. So that is not the paragraph 1. So I think that was the message is not because they are aware that it is a crime to bring children into the world. If you bring them to somebody's house, yourself or someone else, must pass out example. Make yourself stable, not to program the thing. Then the second last point, you must be ready to be independent of your parents. A man shall live with mother and then man shall live with parents, then you shall come together. One. Then we should be ready to take responsibility. The book of Exodus, chapter 21, verse 10. As already take responsibility.
In one way,
Yes.
if you let it another,
So if you take a wife,
have having it
yes.
and fighting marriage, shall give you the one part.
Verse 10. Exodus.
If you take it another wife,
Yes.
up and it up and up,
You must have. If you take a wife, give it to you.
and it
Arrangement, that is damage.
and marriage.
Unhappy of marriage.
If Brother you had something, then I hope Brother Wilson is still on time. Sorry, Brother Levin, because better if Brother Wilson a chance say something, then you will get about that. Yes, do. No? No skin. No. Again. Yes, you can make your comments that you have. Yes. One thing that we have done. Yes, yes. Yes, when it comes to marriage and relationship, you are always consider God first in everything. Yes, that's the one thing we need to understand is that character does not come outward appearance. But character is within. Yes, yes, if when someone says to you that you are beautiful or it comes out of outward appearance, it is all about infatuation. But the outward appearance is not bad, but the what thing to come out is prominent. Uh, yes, yes, 70% of the income connected money. Thank you. That character we are going to get a part. Thank you for that, brother. You are welcome. Yes, brother Zachary, you can make your comments on me because of time.
And so I want to ask a question. So, no doubt. So it was asking if Adam and Eve were created on the same day. Yeah, they were created on the same day. That's the sixth day, 24 hours in a day. But what happened? Adam was created fast. Then Eve. So nowadays, God is no longer creating people in heaven. So they can act a way that creation through procreation. So it means the man must be old apart. The man must have come out first. Then he, then the woman. And all these characters, all these characteristics, which friends have shared, we see that when God is creating Adam, he has first made for him a place to stay. Yeah, it was Garden of Eden, and he has given him what to do. So it was not idle. So nowadays also we should have what to do. You should have something which brings money to the table. God is the table. What are you bringing to the table? I'm the table. Okay, but the father is that house, also to that house. Be checked. So you should have some income to feed yourself and to feed that husband. That money should protect us from the challenges of this life. Another thing to consider in a lady, she might be saying she knows how to play a piano. She knows how to do what? To crochet. She knows how to sing soprano very well, sing alto very well. She knows how to do what? She knows how she's economical. But if she's not a good cook, she's not fit for you. So another quality, my friend, brother Heno, Chakatan. So you should consider if she's a good cook. If she's not, she's not qualified. She must know how to cook bread very well. Shabu. Akiwa kupika hadi tena kuletea ni bichi. So she needs to be a good cook. Yeah, that's a good you will find it in the spiritual prophecy. And also, okay, my sister saying here, yeah, we should not look at outward appearance. Yeah, while you look for character, outward appearance also matters, right? Yeah. Hey, one day you wait and so, yeah, an example is that in the Bible. Like even at 60, man could still turn eyes and behold her beauty. So she was beautiful outwardly. And they say, yeah, everyone is what can be of the man. But beauty, they say, is in eye of it. What can be of it. The beholder. So she should be beautiful also. Okay. So, and lastly, okay, we talked about stages. Don't want to repeat on that. Let me pause there. Yeah, because of time.
Thank you. Nashukuru. Natumai mmejifunza jambo moja jinsi ambavyo tulianza fundisho letu la jioni ya leo. Tunaomba kwamba tufikie tamati. But as we end, allow me to read this verse then with the last quote. Amos chapter 3, the verse 3. It talks about agreeing, working together. And na pia ile ambayo sister alikuwa anazungumzia you ladies will come to you with the sweet words. Ambazo maneno ambayo nakutia niko na pikipiki na ujana kibana hata baiskeli hapo. Ambazo vilitafuta vizuri sina anything. So because of this good one, this one is going about sana. But as we come to you, read the motive. Read the motives as that CH by 9. Pata nafasi soma hiyo paragraph 2, paragraph 3 kuendelea hapo chini. Niko na hizo question zote. Read the mind. Pressure point tunakuja kwako. Kwa napiga mzuri, size 8 ilikuwa natafuta hizo zote. So understand that. But the main issue there, understand, is she or he a believer? Is he or she one of the faith? Unapatana kwa imani ama kubadili imani. So consider that because hiyo ndio kitu tunafikiria sasa hivi. Then our brothers say they are not done that operate send us to know what. Plan without mistake. Or our mind kupotelea kwa mambo na hiyo. Yes. So consider that with that what about was kupatia. Then you understand. Amos chapter 3 the verse 3 inasemaje? Yes. Can two walk together except they can be what? agree. Kwamba wazee watu wetu watatembea pamoja kama hawajapatana. So that is in terms of faith. Ndio mwingine anasema sitamleta, alafu atakuja mzee afya, mzee nini, alafu tutakuwa. Lakini ukiendelea huko mbele utakuwa na mgogoro. Utakuwa na some disagreements kwa familia. Sasa utakuja sema kuja wana. Sasa mimi naenda Jumamosi anaenda for example kama ni Jumapili. So watoto wanaenda watoto wengi utakuwa Mungu atakubariki wataenda kazi sababu kibadilisha mama utaenda Jumamosi. Alafu ni baba wanaenda Jumapili.
Hawataenda kanisani.
So you need to consider that. You need to consider that. Also, you can read 2 Corinthians chapter 6. 2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 14. Do not be unequal yokes. Yes?
Be not unequal yoked together with unbelievers. For what fellowship but righteousness and unrighteousness? And what dominion and light and darkness?
Yes. The Bible is telling us that we should not be unequally yoked. We should not be unequally yoked with unbelievers. So let us consider that. And you read us the marriage. This is to sister, baada ya hapa but nisome kwanza. Asijasema ni yeye. Lakini atasema sawa. So that is it. That's the thing. Prophets and Proverbs 1:74 says this. No one who fears God can without danger connect himself to one who fears him not. They are serving two masters, between whom there can be no concord. However pure and correct one's principles may be, the influence of an unbelieving companion will have a tendency to lead away from God. So that is what we need to consider. Utaona kama ni nywele ya songi, dress yako sawa, vitu gani yako sawa, hizo zote. But the spirit of prophecy is advising us and the Bible that we should not be unequally yoked. Messages 41, paragraph 1, then we pray. Yes?
I told you the danger.
I warn you the danger before it shall be too late. You listen to smoke.
Listen what?
To listen what you nimesema.
And unless believe that all will be well.
Now you believe that all will be well.
But you don't read the motive.
But if you don't read the motives,
That from this fair speech,
that from this fair speeches,
you cannot see the depth of wickedness
you cannot see the depth of wickedness
hidden in the heart.
hidden in the hearts.
You cannot be sin.
You cannot look behind the scene.
And understand that Satan is playing.
And you understand that Satan
Is playing for the son.
is laying for your soul.
He will lead you to pursue such a course
He will lead you to pursue such a course
that you can obtain easy access
that you can obtain easy access
to every strength and freedom
against you.
Do not give him the least
Do not give him the least
advantage.
advantage.
While God upon the mind of his power, Satan wants the children of disobedience.
Satan walks through the children of disobedience.
There is no conflict between Christ and Belial.
There is no concord between Christ and Belial.
The two cannot harmony.
The two cannot harmonize. To connect with unbeliever is through what? Place yourself on Satan ground. To connect with unbelievers, it means you are placing yourself on Satan ground. Yes? Yes. So what you are going to do? Think twice. The proverb says, think before you do it. Think before you live. So as you have learned in all this, the purpose of God wants us to get saved. Don't forget, lost. That's what God intends for us. That's the love of God. Jinsi ambavyo aliyatuma mwanao Yesu aje pia maisha yako msalabani. Why he has taken away? He wants us then not to get lost but to get saved. So as we contemplate what we have learned, tuomba kwamba Mungu atusaidie na roho wake tufanye maamuzi ambayo ni mazuri. Because God has told you, He created us with our will. That's the power to choose either to serve Him or not serve Him. And also, as we are contemplating, one day you get married. Think how will your family be? Will it be a blessing to the society? Will it be not us? The society. We are praying to get the Mtakatifu Baba wa mbinguni, asante kwa nafasi uliyotupa. Asante kwa kufundisha ambacho tunaweza kupata ndoa. Naomba kwamba tusaidie kama vijana kwamba tu wanafunzi na pia tuweze kufahamu nini ambacho tunafanya kwa sasa. Na pia kama tumeweza kufika kwanza kufundiana, naomba tusaidie tuanze kwa misingi ama chumba wetu tuweze kuanza kwa misingi ya Biblia na misingi ya tuviombe daima kwamba uweze kutusamehe na uweze kutia nguvu ili kwamba tuweze kutembea katika njia zako. Tuongoze kwa kipindi kinachofuata kuwa mwalimu na kiongozi wetu. Zaidi ya yote tuandae kuongoza mara ya pili katika jina la Yesu kwa maana ya